How
So,
are you,
brother,
bro? Tell me a little bit about yourself. How has everything been? We're gonna go over the results we've got so far with the content.
thank you so much for having me, my bro. Honestly, joining with you, your agency was one of the best decisions we did, especially with my Instagram. Due to the fact that you know what you're doing, you know exactly how algorithm works, you know exactly how to duplicate viral contents, and it worked out amazing for me, especially in the, I think I would say in the third week. The first 2 weeks it was pretty slow, but I think that was you grasping up everything, and then the third and fourth week, man, millions views after views after hit. So man, it was wonders, alhamdulillah. And yeah, I think anyone who has enough clips, has enough footages, shouldn't even resist from doing the content that you provide for them, you know?
Yeah, I appreciate that. And when we first met, or like when we came across Brett, I know I did outreach to you, and we came on WhatsApp. What made you like interested in coming on a call with me in the first place? What was for you like, okay, let's give this guy a shot, because there's many guys out there like me who do the outreach and say, hey, I can get you results. But what was different for you to hop on a call with me?
Honestly, your client results, you had pretty good results, pretty good names that, of course, I'll not mention, but you had pretty big names. And as always, that I do, I work with the best of the best. So you were one of the best in the market with pretty good pricing, I would say. So I chose you over everyone else.
Appreciate it, man. And what is the main benefit for you that you've seen with like working with me, whether it's my systems or the way I edit the videos or the communication? Like, what was your favorite part about everything?
I think the fact that you were listening, you know, the fact that you were listening to our comments, the fact that you're pretty good, a pretty good listener. Because a lot of these guys, agency people, they're very cocky, you know. They say we
Yeah,
know everything, so you don't have to worry or touch anything, but they don't understand that contributing from both sides or adding up from the agency as well as the customer or the client side makes the work 10 times more efficient, you know?
yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. I think like specifically with the offer that I have, it's a personal brand. So of course you can never like take full control. It's also a personal preference of what you want to post. Like that being said, what was your favorite video? I know we did a lot on the me and bro, and also a lot of videos with your father. What was the favorite kind of content that we created so far?
The favorite one was the hidden gem that I didn't know existed, but you guys and your team brought it to life, which was the double gold choices. Like that video was so good. It was a hidden gem that I never recovered, but you guys covered it, and that was the first million views that we hit. So it was like two gold choices that were exactly the same, and the caption was like, "POV, you and your bro made it." Bro, deserves to get 10 million views. The Rolls Royces looks so good, and the clip and everything was so perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you, man. So, yeah, final question. Like, what would you say to anyone that is like interested in doing content? Like, maybe for you even too, you maybe face some obstacles. What were those obstacles before you worked with me when it came to content?
Honestly, for everyone who wants to get started, do not miss out. It's the best thing to do so. And for me, the biggest obstacle that I had was actually using my content in the right way. And of course, coming across you, I understood how to evaluate the content, shoot way better content, and be more efficient and get more views.
Yeah, exactly. So really utilizing the best clips that you have, and then of course that will get you the results as well. I think the content that you shoot and the content that you make is super high quality, and only with like the best people around you, you will make good use of them. And it will also impact your business, of course. In what way has it impacted your business, or like has it opened any doors for you, any new attention that you could convert into sales, for example?
100%, our funnel has been working amazing. I think more eyeballs always equals to more views. Of course, the right eyeballs, and that's what happened with us. We got more views and more sales.
Yeah, exactly. So really proves that like social media and organic marketing is super beneficial. And then two, like what would you say is the main reason why you started the brand in the first place. This could be like anything. So this is not really for me or for anyone watching this right now, but it's more so like, why did you think you needed to start a personal brand?
Honestly, why not? I saw everyone else taking advantage of it, starting their own personal brand. So I said, I gotta do it too. I gotta make my name out there. So that's exactly what I did.
Cool. Awesome, man. Well, I don't want to take any more of your time. I appreciate you for hopping on, and we'll definitely keep in touch. Let me know if you need me. And yeah, if you guys haven't checked him out, you can see the name here on the note taker. That's also his Instagram handle. You might want to check him out. He's doing some crazy stuff with e-commerce as well. Definitely a guy that can help you out with e-com as well. So make sure to check out his Instagram profile. Yeah, thank you for your time.
I appreciate it, my bro, here. Thank you so much. And I'll see you very soon, my bro. Thank you.
Wrap up the client testimonial with Asan, and I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to go over the results that he was discussed on the call. As you can see, what we focus on with him and how we got the results that we actually got in the first 30 days of working together. We did 7.3 million views in total. And I just want to quickly take you guys through what we exactly did. So this was basically the first video that we did. We already did 2 million views on the first video. And it's super funny because we actually like have a nice clip of the Amex card, and then POV, you get the Amex Platinum before having kids. It's a triggering caption, it's a triggering video overall, and that's why it went viral. So yeah, super simple concept, but get you the results that you want to get. Then a second video that we did is life isn't over until I put my dad in a Rolls Royce. So this one didn't really do too crazy, but the important part of this video is we focus on family, we focus on emotion, we focusing on triggering an emotion within the people that are watching this video, and therefore this video converted very well when it came to the follower growth. Now then we did a more storyline type of emotional video where we mentioned, like they said, I'd fail, had no money for food, you know the line and the drill with the storyline videos. We even played in on the religion that Asan has, and that's also very important because a lot of people can relate to the same religion, and therefore it's easy for them to interact with the video, send it to their friends, and even start following Asan on his main profile. Now, as you can see, we did a few combinations of this. Sometimes we do one clip videos with a caption that works very well. And then other times we do something else where we, for example, focus more on the luxury aspect, and that we shouldn't always be focused on making all these money because, of course, money at the end of the day is not going to stay with us. And here you can see we played again on the religion aspect of his life, which again, a lot of people can relate to. And that's why it's so important, because you want to find out what your client has or what you want. You want to tell their story on their personal brand. It's a personal brand. You need to tell their personal story. Now, let's go to one crazy viral video as well, where we focus on the broader aspect. And as you can see, we keep using the same clips, but it's fine because we still get the results with these clips. You don't always have to have new clips every video that you make. This video is great because you see a lot of emotion from the two guys together, smiling, and in the audio, you can even hear him say, I love you, bro. So just a great clip in general, and definitely something that you want to play into as well. Now, let's move on to another good video, me and dad in 10 years, where he actually showed off the McLaren. And then you can see they're just eating inside the Rolls Royce. Could have gone a little bit more viral if you ask me, maybe if the clips were a little bit better. But again, 60K views is definitely not bad on a video like this. And then one of my favorite videos, and also one of Asan's favorite videos, is this one, me and bro in 10 years, and then eating McDonald's on the Rolls Royce, or like, I don't know what this fast food place is, but super funny clip. People will start sharing it with each other, and as you can see, that results in 1.7 million views. And yeah, you can see 150K likes, which is also crazy. A lot of engagement in the comments. But overall, this is doing crazy well on this account. As you can see, 246K followers already. Getting crazy numbers too. We even had let me see, a video that went way more viral, 9.4 million views. So that's crazy, crazy results. But I just wanted to show you the results of the first 30 days. So yeah, this is what we focus on with him. We basically focus on a few different things. We want to know his story, get to know the person that you're working with, create content based off their story and also their current life. For example, he just got the Amex when we made that video. He just said it in the Rolls Royce with his father eating that food. He just went to the fast food shop with his friend to make that video. So we want to play in on the things that are going on to his life at the moment, but we also want to create storyline videos that tell a personal story. as you saw in the Said I Fail video. And that's also super important, guys. So get to know your clients, tell their stories, make sure you make content that they like. As Asan mentioned on the call, you need to listen to your clients and ask feedback to your clients if you want to get them results. And that's also how I get my results. So if you're watching this right now, you want to get similar results, this is just one of my case studies. You can check out more case studies on my YouTube as well. Make sure to subscribe, check out the case studies. And if you want to help, then if you want my help, then make sure to DM me on Instagram. No strings attached. I can help you with anything you need when it comes to social media. So yeah, I'm looking forward to your text. If not, no worries. I'll just keep providing free value on my YouTube channel that you can watch for free, and everything you watch, you can implement yourself and also get results. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, Asen, if you're watching this, thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.